Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to add music in Filmora. Adding music to your video in Filmora is a simple process. First of all, tap Open Filmora application on your mobile device or your computer. Now, click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen in order to import a video. Select a media file from your media library that you'd like to edit. Click on Import once you are done selecting the video at the bottom right. Now that you've imported the video on your timeline, go ahead and click on the audio button at the bottom of the screen. You can also make any necessary edits before adding music to your video. Once you tap on music, this will be the interface. Go ahead and click on the music option at the bottom of the screen. Once you click music, you will be able to see sound clips from favorite, trending, or mine category. Go ahead and choose one of the music you'd like to add to the video from the list provided on the screen. After selecting a music and playing it through, click on the plus button at the bottom right and you will be able to add music to your video. You can also go ahead and choose a music from your device's library. To do so, click on the Mine tab and select Files. Choose one of the songs from your file on your device. You can also extract audio from other videos and add it on your timeline. Record your own video by choosing the record option, and after you are done with the music, drag the music timeline and place it in a desired location that will help cover you the entire video. And now once you play the video, it'll then play the video clip along with the music that you've just added. Make sure that you've positioned the music at the desired starting point and ending point to align with the video. After you are done, adjust the audio level. Click on the volume button at the bottom and increase or decrease the volume of the audio that you prefer, and you can also use fade in and fade out elements. And finally, after you are done with the adjustment of audio levels, tap on tick mark at the top right, and that is how you will be able to enter music or add music on Filmora. After you are satisfied with your edits, click on Export at the top right corner and choose your export setting such as format, resolution, destination, and then click on the export button to save your changes. And that's how you can easily add music in Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.